It's February 2nd, 2025. I'm at the upper part of the Howard Canyon Trail, which comes off of the Rose Valley Road, which is off the Highway 33 that connects, Ventura, Ojai to Cuyama Valley. So we're in Southern California, and we're looking north, and in the middle of the video is Haddock Peak. Then to the left is Ray's Peak, and that ridge there, that's the Pine Mountain Ridge. And then if I come over way to the east, I'll pick up that light colored sandstone mountain, and back in there is that's the Thorn Point area, and you access that from the Lockwood Valley Road area. As far as the geology goes, if you come down this side of the Pine Mountain Ridge, you see there's sort of a break and slope about halfway down the mountain. That's the trace of the Pine Mountain Fault, which is a thrust fault that dips off to the north and under the mountain. So you see that you can kind of make out the rocks that are in the hanging wall above the fault up to the skyline. They're dipping back away to the north. And so what you're seeing is the backside of a eroded anticline. The front limb is actually in the kind of midway down the hill. You can't really make it out very well, but it's real steep, and it's got vertical layers. So if you can picture this in kind of 3D, you had a big anticline or upward bending fold. What's left is just the back side of that, and then there's some vertical outcrops that are partway down the hill, this side of the hill, and that's the front limb, the steep front limb. And then you hit the thrust, and then you go into those outcrops down below that. They're younger units. That's the Sesame Formation, so that's the Oligocene. The stuff above the fault, that's all Eocene marine deposits there, so that's older. So it's a reverse fault. You got older over younger. It's a beautiful day. And, let's see. I'm not going to be able to show you much out this way, but you can kind of see there's fog out over the Santa Barbara Channel, and you can see, if I zoom in a little bit, there's Santa Cruz Island poking up through the fog, and we're on one of our geo hikes back here. So the group is at this little bench back here, or table. Beautiful area.